This is the latest TPS GLCM, 217 kilos tare weight, takes 2 tons of product, 1,000 litres capacity. To put the box up, just lift the lid. Front panel locks into place. Using the handles, pull up the side, lock the bolts into place. Pull up the handle, lock the bolts into place, hold the handle on the lid and closed. Now when these are full, you can stack them 4 high. Again, you've got the chocks here on the corner that hold the base of the pallet in place so it stops them from sliding around. When they're empty, you can stack them 8 high. And this is suitable for an ISO shipping container as well. You've got the sight level here on the front so you can see what's inside, if there's a bag inside. And on the front as well, we've got the sliding door with a C-clip here holding your valve in place. Close the door, and again, you've got the holes here to slip through your tamper evident proof labels. On this one also, you have a front drop-down door to give you easy access into the base. This has a full funnel base in front for discharge via the valve at the bottom. So to put the box down, pull back the latch and undo the lever. Same on the other side. Take hold of the handle on the lid, slide it back, tilt and drop. Undo the clips on the sides. Hold on to the handle. Let it drop down. Same on this side. And there we are.